The 2025 Princess F55 Flybridge yacht is the epitome of refined elegance, where cutting-edge engineering meets timeless design. From the moment you lay eyes on its sleek profile, you're struck by the sophistication of its flowing lines, the attention to proportion, and the unmistakable presence of a true luxury vessel. Step aboard, and the craftsmanship becomes even more apparent. Every inch of the interior is thoughtfully curated with high-end materials, from handcrafted cabinetry and rich timber finishes to bespoke upholstery and ambient lighting. Large panoramic windows flood the salon with natural light, creating a seamless connection between the sea and the sophisticated living space inside. The Flybridge itself is a statement of design innovation, offering an open-air haven complete with plush seating, a wet bar, and sunbathing areas, all styled with elegance and built for indulgent relaxation. This yacht doesn't just reflect modern luxury, it redefines it. The Princess F55 isn't merely a boat. It's a floating masterpiece, crafted for those who demand excellence in every detail. At the heart of the 2025 Princess F55 Flybridge yacht lies a suite of cutting-edge technology that elevates every journey into a seamless, high-performance experience. This isn't just a yacht, it's a floating smart home, engineered with the most advanced systems in marine innovation. The helm station features next-generation touchscreen displays, integrated with the latest Garmin navigation and control systems. Piloting the F55 is intuitive and precise, whether you're cruising open waters or docking in tight marinas. With joystick control, dynamic positioning, and real-time engine diagnostics, captaining this vessel feels more like flying a jet than steering a yacht. The technology doesn't stop at navigation. The entire yacht is fitted with intelligent automation, climate control, lighting, audio, and entertainment systems can all be managed via touchscreen or remotely through smart devices. Stream your favorite playlists across zones, set the mood with customizable LED lighting, or activate security and monitoring systems with a tap. Even below deck, the yacht features ultra-efficient power systems, including lithium-ion battery banks, improved fuel management, and optional solar integration, giving you more time at sea and less time worrying about resources. With the 2025 F55, Princess Yachts has ensured that luxury doesn't mean compromise. It means control, comfort, and confidence, all powered by innovation. Performance is where the 2025 Princess F55 Flybridge truly sets itself apart, delivering the kind of power, agility, and smooth handling that defines a world-class yacht. At its core are twin Volvo D13-900 engines, capable of pushing the F55 to exhilarating speeds of up to 33 knots. But this yacht is not just about speed, it's about effortless cruising. Thanks to Princess's renowned deep V-hull design, the F55 slices through the water with remarkable stability, even in rougher seas. The ride is smooth, quiet, and composed, whether you're island hopping in the Mediterranean or cruising along the Pacific coast. Maneuverability is equally impressive. With joystick docking and electronic steering systems, the F55 makes tight marina turns and close-quarter handling feel easy, even for less experienced skippers. The integrated bow and stern thrusters add even more control at low speeds. Fuel efficiency has also been improved, with optimized engine performance and hull engineering that reduces drag and maximizes range. This means you can venture farther, explore longer, and do so with the confidence that the yacht is performing at its best under any conditions. From its responsive throttle to its rock-solid stability, the Princess F55 isn't just built to travel, it's built to perform, delivering the ultimate combination of power, precision, and pleasure at sea. The 2025 Princess F55 Flybridge yacht is more than a vessel, it's a sanctuary at sea. Designed with an unwavering commitment to comfort, space, and lifestyle, every corner of the F55 has been crafted to make life on board feel effortlessly luxurious. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a spacious open-plan saloon, bathed in natural light from expansive panoramic windows. The layout flows beautifully, from the plush lounge seating to the elegant dining area and fully equipped galley, creating a social and relaxing environment that feels more like a luxury apartment than a yacht. Below deck, the sense of space continues. The yacht features 3 generously sized cabins, including a stunning full-beam master suite with a private ensuite bathroom, oversized windows, and walk-in wardrobe. Each guest cabin is equally inviting, offering ample headroom, smart storage, and fine finishes that rival five-star hotels. The Flybridge is another masterpiece of comfort, a multifunctional outdoor living space complete with sun loungers, a wet bar, dining area, and optional barbecue. Whether you're enjoying cocktails at sunset, dining al fresco, or soaking up the sun, this is where memories are made. Sound insulation, climate control, ambient lighting, and thoughtful ergonomics ensure that every moment aboard the F55 is peaceful and pleasurable. Whether you're entertaining guests, enjoying a romantic getaway, or simply escaping for some solitude, the comfort and space of the F55 makes every voyage unforgettable. One of the most defining features of the 2025 Princess F55 Flybridge yacht is its ability to reflect your style, your preferences, and your way of living at sea. This yacht isn't mass-produced for the market, it's thoughtfully tailored for the individual. From the moment you begin the ownership journey, Princess Yachts offers a highly personalized experience. Whether it's the layout of the interior spaces, the choice of high-end materials, or the finishes of your cabinetry, countertops, and upholstery, every detail can be customized to suit your taste. Prefer a modern, minimalist look? Or perhaps a warm, classic nautical vibe? The F55 can be designed to express your personal aesthetic. Beyond style, functionality is also flexible. Owners can opt for additional features like a crew cabin, upgraded galley appliances, or advanced entertainment systems. Want a fully integrated audio-visual setup or a bespoke wine cooler in the salon? It can be done. The Flybridge layout can even be adapted depending on whether you prioritize sunbathing space, shaded lounging, or alfresco dining. Even the sailing experience itself can be tailored with options for performance upgrades, stabilization systems, or eco-conscious technologies like solar integration. In essence, the Princess F55 is not just a luxury yacht, it's your private, floating retreat, built exactly how you envision it. When you step aboard, it doesn't feel like someone else's yacht. It feels like your own personal escape, designed around your lifestyle, your comfort, and your vision of luxury at sea. Owning the 2025 Princess F55 Flybridge yacht is about more than enjoying life on the water, it's about making a bold statement. It's a symbol of success, refinement, and the lifestyle of those who have arrived. The F55 is instantly recognizable in any marina, a sleek, commanding presence that turns heads wherever it goes. It represents more than craftsmanship and performance, it reflects the values of those who demand the best, individuals who value freedom, privacy, and the ability to explore the world on their own terms. For many, luxury yachts like the Princess F55 are the ultimate status symbol. But beyond prestige, the F55 also offers real-world value. Princess Yachts holds one of the strongest reputations in the global yachting market, with consistent demand and excellent resale performance. This yacht isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in quality that retains its allure year after year. Moreover, with growing demand in charter markets and increasing interest in luxury marine travel, the F55 can also become a revenue-generating asset. For owners who choose to charter their yacht during unused periods, the return can be significant, further boosting its value proposition. In the world of high-end assets, few combine personal pleasure, global prestige, and financial potential as elegantly as the Princess F55. It's not just a yacht, it's a legacy, a lifestyle, and a lasting investment.